My old windshield wipers were getting bad, so I went and purchased these Rain-X Latitude water repellent windshield wipers. And today, we're gonna put them to the test. We're gonna hit it with some rain, we're gonna hit it with some water. But first, let's go ahead and install them. We're gonna put these on. It's gonna be easy to do. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I'm gonna pull the windshield wiper this way, which is going to allow me to remove it from the windshield on. And now I got it removed, so now I'm going to take it out like that. So we got the old one off. So here's the old one, and here's the new one. This one has some flex to it, but this one right here, the whole thing flexes. So I think this is gonna be able to hug the windshield better. Instead of smearing the water, it actually removes the water, right? That's what you really want. Okay, so this thing says remove protective cover. So this is very important. So I thought these windshield wipers were like gonna have this yellow strip on the windshield wiper. And I'm like, I don't want that. That was the reason why I was like, I don't know if I wanna buy this because it's got this yellow strip on here. But guess what? This yellow strip is actually a protective cover. So it says remove protective cover before use. So I actually have to slide this cover off. It's just a cover. So we got the cover removed. Now we're going to slide this booger on. So basically we're going to pop this front out, this front part, pop that out. So now we got access to the front part. And that's where this hook goes at the end. With that front cover out, now I can slide this hook, which for my Honda, that's the type of windshield arm I have. The end has a hook. Hopefully yours does as well. So let's slide this windshield wiper on. I'm gonna do it with one hand. Check it out. And once you get it in there, you push it toward you and it's gonna lock in place. That's when you hear that click, it's in there. So now you can take the cover that's in the front and then clamp it down. So you're basically locking the hook onto the windshield wiper. So let's push it down. There we go. This is how it's supposed to look. All right, so we're gonna basically repeat the steps for the other side. Push your windshield wiper toward you. So now it's off. All right, so now we can pop this piece out in the front. All right, so let's slide this windshield wiper on the hook. Now you're gonna push it away from you now, but slide it in that slot, push it away. Hear that click? It's in there. So now we can put the cover back on. You gotta hear that click. There you go. It's on there. So now it's time to activate the water repellent on the windshield wiper. And that's why that yellow cover is on that windshield wiper. In order to activate that water repellent on that windshield wiper, you're going to have to apply water to the windshield while the windshield wiper is moving. You can do that by turning on the water hose and just spraying on the windshield while your windshield wiper is turning. You can activate the windshield wipers while it's raining. You basically just need water on the windshield when the windshield wiper is turning. The other option you can do is using the windshield wiper fluid. So I'm gonna use the windshield wiper fluid method. All right, let's activate it. So you do this process for about 2 to 3 minutes. That's what the directions say. So with that being said, I did it for almost 3 minutes. And the reason why I stopped before those 3 minutes is because I ran out of windshield wiper fluid. And since I know you don't want to watch me doing this for 3 minutes, I'm gonna fast forward through here, but that's how you would do it. So once you do that, you're good. Your windshield wiper water repellent is now activated and you're good to go. So now let's put these wipers to the test. First test we're gonna do is a noise test. So here's how the old ones sound
without water on the windshield.
Okay.
Here's how they sound, the old ones, with a little water on the windshield. And here's the new ones, the Rain-X, how it sounds with no water on the windshield. And how it sounds with a little water on the windshield. Next test is the rain test. So here's the old windshield wiper doing some pretty strong rain on the road. It's not too bad. The driver's side was peeling a little bit, so I do know it was time to replace it, but this is what that looks like. So here's the new ones. Here's the Rain-X. Some moderate rain, not heavy, but as you can see, it's moving the rain a little bit different than the old ones. More than likely because it has the water repellent. So I do like that. This side is the right side, the passenger side, where the windshield wiper wipes, and then the part of the windshield that it doesn't wipe, to kind of show you what that looks like. So here's a side-by-side comparison. The old one's on the left, the new one's on the right. So next we're going to do the water hose test. Doing this water hose test is just to simulate rain. So what you're seeing now is the new windshield wipers, the Rain-X Latitude water repellent. So now you can see how it looks from the driver's side or from the inside of the vehicle with water pressure hitting the windshield like that. Kind of simulating, like I said, rain, heavy rain. This next shot is going to be from the outside, so you can kind of see how it looks, the way the windshield wipers are responding from both sides. Now this test is with the windshield wipers off, but what I'm doing is showing you how the rain actually repels off the windshield. It actually does repel. If you look at the main part of the windshield where the windshield wipers cover, and then the top right corner where that curve where it doesn't cover, you can tell the difference between how the water beads off the windshield and how it does not. Here's another angle of me doing the same thing. So after using these for some weeks now, I actually do like them. They do a great job of knocking off all the water from the windshield. As far as the water repellency, as you can see throughout the test, they do work. So overall, I give these wipers a 9 out of 10. So let me know what you think about it. Check out the link in the comment section if you want this product. And if you got value out this video, show some love and smash the subscribe, like, and bell notification to get the latest HE content. And if you like this video, definitely check out the next video.